The first time I took Insights Discovery, I remember getting chills. I remember thinking, this is A, exactly me, and B, it's explained in a way that I would want other people to see and read. Insights Discovery is a personality assessment based on the psychology of Carl Jung. You receive a really detailed report that is all about you, all about how you communicate, how you might motivate yourself, how you motivate others, how to interact with someone who is your opposite. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What might be the value you bring to the team? It is all about self-awareness. It's the foundation for effective communication. The ability for people to put the language and the tool of Insights Discovery into practice has just been phenomenal. One of the pieces of insights over the years that's been really interesting is watching this tool resonate with people who are in mining, oil and gas, the veterinary world, human health care, education, nonprofits, finance, and everything in between. We've found that Insights resonates with everyone. The Daniels College of Business has leveraged Insights Discovery for the last 20 years. The vast majority of our faculty and staff have taken Insights, and it is very much a language in the building and on campus. It is a mental shortcut in your communication. We offer public sessions, so anyone can come to a public session for a half day. You take the assessment before you arrive, and then you go through a debrief, which is a really important component of this. And as a part of that debrief, you'll receive your report. Another way to dive into the Insights world is to take the assessment with your team or your organization, and then a Daniels facilitator will come to your company and spend time with your team and run through the debrief together. Insights gives you so much self-awareness, and it allows us to build a rapport, which is really an emotional bond with people, rather than this transactional communication. It is all about human behavior and human connection, and as a tool, there's some magic in it that allows us to build that rapport more effectively with other people.